So in this video here, what we're going to demonstrate is how you can actually flip your classroom. So obviously, the first step in flipping your classroom is that you need something to record your screen and your voice with. So some of you may or may not know this, but actually built into ActivInspire is a recording tool which will allow you to record your voice as long as you have a microphone and whatever you write on the board. So as you can see from my screen here, I've brought up ActivInspire and I have a blank screen. So if I would like to record what I'm actually going to say here, all I have to do is simply go to the power tools, which is a hammer and a wrench crossed into an X. And if I tap on that icon, it brings up a new window here. And what we're going to do is go to more tools, and right there you'll see screen recorder. And it allows you to do two things. You can record the full screen or you can record the area screen recorder. For this particular instance, typically I just use the full screen recorder because it's not that big of a deal. But on this one here, I'm going to do an area screen recorder. If I just selected the full screen, anything that's on my screen would automatically be captured. If you want to just have a selected area to only display that to be recorded, then you use the area screen recorder. I'm going to select area screen recorder, and it's going to say, okay, what area do you want to record? So all you have to do is simply drag your mouse. I'm going to click right up here in the top corner, and I want to record all of this area right here so that it includes the toolbar. And I hit launch recorder. You'll now notice up in the top corner here, I have a window that allows me to record. So excuse me. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a short recording where we can actually record ourselves and then create a file that we're later going to upload into YouTube so that our students can see and revisit the lesson that we're doing. I brought up the screen recorder within ActivInspire, and the first thing I'm going to do is when I'm ready to record is I'm going to hit this record button. If I click on that, before it even starts recording, it says, oh, you have to name your file. And the fact that it's an AVI file is actually the format that YouTube prefers. So I'm going to name this test2 AVI file, and I'm going to hit save. As soon as I hit that, it's actually recording what I'm saying right now. So I can actually talk about a lesson, and I can grab a pen tool, and I can grab a color, and I can say, 2 plus 2 equals, you have to excuse my terrible handwriting, I'm trying to use the mouse, and I'm going to click on the red pen tool, and I'm going to say 4. Alright, so imagine that I'm done with my lesson now. All I have to do is simply hit the stop button, which is right here, and if you hover your mouse over, it'll tell you exactly what each one of these buttons do. I'm going to hit stop recording, and it's actually created that video for me, and it should bring it up. No, I guess it's not going to bring it up to play. But if I navigate to where the file was saved, and I bring it up, you'll see that my test2 file is right here, and if I double click on it, it'll open up a new window right here, and it is actually playing it's actually right now in the background. What I'm saying right now. So that's got to be extremely annoying, so I'm going to close that. So what we've done is we've simply used ActivInspire to record a short lesson that we're going to use for a supplemental instruction for our students. It's actually not difficult at all. It's very simple. And if you already have a pre-built flip chart, you can certainly use that as well.